Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Just lost my voice there for a second. I wanted to show a project share that I have recently gotten, actually a couple of things that are listed in the shop if you're interested in that, but also just if you are interested in what these dies look like. First off, just quickly, this is a Studio Light die. I'm trying to see if I can get it in there. And I love it because it folds up and it's in this very cool ticket shape, and I love their dies. They are from the Netherlands, and it is featuring the papers in my Valiant Night digital journal paper. This particular trifold is in the shop, and it has this wee little baby ticket with it. It's so cute. But the biggest one at hand is this duo that you have seen in the shop, and this is paper that is available right now. This is my English Tweety Manor, a Tweety English Manor. Sometimes it's like having kids, you forget their names. Who are you? Okay, so anyway, just look at all the digital ones, you'll see it. But so I was putzing around and made these with this paper. First is this little mini file folder. It's a die from Paper Wishes, and I have a little, I had in my stash like just a little die that came with something, and then I glued on the back so that I would have a closure and that would tuck in. But when you open that, it goes like this. It's a nice little file folder. So I'm putting that with that because it matches. I just happened to do that. So I'm going to go to the top down here and show you, do a little flip through. This is utilizing new dies from Elizabeth Craft Designs, Planner Essentials, and I love that line. It is a Slimline A5 planner line that they have, and I've used other things as well in here, so I'm going to go ahead and show that. Alright, so I'm still getting used to my camera situation here. So sorry about that. Again, always apologizing. Artist in the room. Alright, so I've got the planner here, and I used on the front here, this is a die that layers from Studio Light as well. I have bound it with twine just because I want the person who gets it to be able to, A, you can keep it like this, like a little junk journal, or B, you can take these off and put it into your existing A5 planner. So either way, I like to keep things flexible for people that I don't do all the fun for them, right? And all the pages are this lovely deckled edge there. So let's go ahead and flip through. So obviously the cover. The inside I have a torn paper. This is actually a die from Craft Stash. Everyday, sorry about this pile. Believe it or not, it bothers me, but this is, let's see, Everyday Journaling, I think, from Helen Colebrook. And then I just took some stamping, some Tim Holtz stamps. If you guys can get a hold of this, Tim Holtz Stampers Anonymous, what is it called? Field Notes. This is like, turn it this way, sorry about that. This is like the most awesome stamp set. It's like all bits of ephemera, and then you can just stamp it on your own paper. So very cool. Maybe I'll come in just a wee bit. It's that page, so you can do journaling on there. Then I have this little planner envelope here that I had in my stash from I don't know when, but so I lined it, it's all on craft paper, and I lined it on some of my digital paper. I put this here, I think this is from a, like, Card Making Magic, just little corner, something that I could tuck that into, otherwise the flap would be flappy. And then you can just put bits in there like so. So, you know, little tickets and things and whatever, stickers, whatever you're using in your journal. Next page is this page here. So this is my artwork here. This is from Creeley's, which is from the Netherlands, I believe. And it layers, and that is obviously a tuck spot there. And this is a Studio Light die that I layered with two of my papers, and that way you can journal on that and stick that in. And then of course you can always add things to this page as well. Next page I did some staining, some stamping, more of that Tim Holtz, the number, and all that, very cool. Some grunge, it's the grunge line, Studio Light stamps. This page here was kind of fun. That Creeley's, they have these on the edge dies. I talked about it in another video, but I can show you again. There are these dies that have stitching on both sides, and so you can use them like that to make a pocket or a tag or something, and then you turn it upside down, you can use it this way. So this is the upside down version of a different one, not that one, but so they're super useful. And they have these, this is like, how wide is this? If you'd like to know. Almost 6 inches. And then they have one that's like half that size, and then they have little tiny ones. So very useful dies, and obviously you can make pockets like this very easily. So I did a double pocket there, and then I just happened to have this cute little Elizabeth Craft Design die that I cut out of my paper, and just to show that that tucks in there. Also my paper, of course it's all my paper, but anyway, lots of journaling that can be done on here, or you can use like journal stamps and make, you know, trackers and things for yourself. This is a new Elizabeth Craft Design, this bit here, not the pocket, but the, or not this, but this is that Creeley's pocket that I made over here as well. But this mechanism here is one of the new planner essentials, and it is very fun. So it fits right into your dies and gives you that double pocket. I'll show that to you here. It's super fun. I put a little tab on here that I love. This is also from Studio Light. And you do, with the Elizabeth Craft Designs, get these tags in there. So I put those in, as well as my own ephemera that I have digitally that you can get in the shop. Here are the 3 sizes. And it comes with these little layering bits here. So you can tuck that in there. So this holds quite a bit. You could make it chunky. So that's what that looks like without anything in there. I love that little tab. So cute. And then that. And then here's another one of my papers. I have this like wash on it so that you can do journaling and your writing will show up. Or you could, of course, add whatever. You can, you know, add little bits of ephemera in here, make it your own, do all sorts of things. Corners, all sorts. This is one I haven't used yet, but this is also from the Elizabeth Craft Design. I think it's designed to go like this. And then you can open that up and have bits underneath. That. Lots of things you could do with these pages. And that is the back, and you can even do something with that as well. So that comes as a little duo. I threw the little file folder in there because they match and they're so cute. So anyways, I just wanted to show you that. Maybe that will give you some inspiration. If you'd like to give this video a thumbs up, that would be great. And go ahead and subscribe if you want to stay in the loop for future videos. Thanks so much for joining me. Have a great day.